Chapter 2 Addition. In the previous class we have learned how to add 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. Now in this class we shall learn how to add 4-digit numbers. Addition of 4-digit numbers. Step 1. First, arrange the digits of the number in vertical columns correctly under the heads of ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Step 2. Add the numbers column-wise. Be sure to add ones first, then tens, hundreds and thousands respectively. Write the sum directly below the respective columns. Step 3. If the sum of any columns is more than one digit, carry the extra digit to the next column to the left and then add that column with extra digit. Adding with carry. Adding without carry. Example 1. Add 3,264 and 5,132. Solution. Step 1. Arrange the digits in the columns of ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Add-ins. Sum. Remember, the numbers to be added are called add-ins and the result obtained is called the sum. Step 2. Add ones. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Step 3. Add tens. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Step 4. Add hundreds. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Step 5. Add thousands. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Therefore, the answer is 8,396. Example 2. Add 5,342, 1,231 and 405. Solution. Step 1. Arrange the digits in the columns of ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Step 2. Add ones. 2 plus 1 plus 5 is equal to 8. Step 3. Add tens. 4 plus 3 plus 0 is equal to 7. Step 4. Add hundreds. 3 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 9. Step 5. Add thousands. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Therefore, the sum of the given number is 6,978. Addition with carry. Regrouping. Example 3. Add 3,463 and 4,258. Solution. Step 1. Arrange the numbers in columns and add the columns of ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Step 2. Add ones. 3 plus 8 is equal to 11 ones is equal to 1 tens, 1 ones. Write 1 in the ones column and take 1 tens to the tens column, that is carry over 1 to the tens column as shown. Step 3. Add tens. 6 plus 5 plus 1 carry is equal to 12 tens is equal to 10 tens plus 2 tens is equal to 1 hundreds 2 tens. Write 2 in the tens column and take 1 hundreds to the hundreds column, that is carry over 1 to the hundreds column as shown. Step 4. Add hundreds. 4 plus 2 plus 1 carry is equal to 7 hundreds. Step 5. Add thousands. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 thousands. Answer is 7,721. Remember, do not forget to add the carryover. Example 4. Find the sum of 3,264 plus 132 plus 4,736. Solution. Arrange the numbers in columns correctly and start adding from the ones column. Answer. The sum of the given numbers is 8,132. Example 5. Add 2,846, 3,572, 1,533. Solution. Arrange the numbers in columns correctly and start adding from the ones column. Answer. The sum of the given numbers is 7,951. Addition property. Let's look at this problem to find the sum. We add the numbers. We can represent the problem this way. Let's use a place value chart to help us add. Let's put the correct number of base 10 blocks into the place value chart. 4,655 plus 2,769. Now let's add. First we add the ones. Five ones plus 9 ones equals 14 ones. There are more than 10 ones, so we need to regroup the ones. We regroup 14 ones as 110 and 4 ones. Next, we add the tens. One tens plus 5 tens plus 6 tens equals 12 tens. There are more than 10 tens, so we regroup the tens. Twelve tens is equal to 102 tens. Then we add the hundreds. One hundred plus 600 plus 700 equals 1400s. There are more than 10 hundreds, so we need to regroup the hundreds. We regroup 1400s as 1400s. Lastly, we add the thousands. 1,000 plus 4,000 plus 2,000 equals 7,000. So, the sum of 4,655 and 2,769 is 7,424. properties. 1. Order property of addition. Let us change the order of the addends while performing addition. Add 3,245 and 1,632. So 3,245 plus 1,632 is equal to 1,632 plus 3,245. Now change the order of addends. Add 1,632 and 3,245. We observe that the answer in both the cases is the same. If we change the order of addends while performing addition, the sum of the numbers remain the same. This is called the commutative property. 2. Grouping property of addition. The sum of three or more numbers remain the same regardless of the grouping of addends or numbers. This property is also known as the associative property. Let us find the sum of 1,362 plus 3,241 plus 3,252 and 1,362 plus 3,241 plus 3,252. Solution. The answer in both the cases is same. So, we can say that the regrouping of addends does not change the sum. Therefore, we conclude that 1,362 plus 3,241 plus 3,252 is equal to 1,362 plus 3,241 plus 3,252. Note, associative property helps to check the correctness of the solution. 3. Zero property or additive identity property. The sum of any number and zero is the number itself. For example, 8,235 plus 0 is equal to 8,235. 546 plus 0 is equal to 546. 4. Adding 1 to the number gives the successor of the number. For example, 8,649 plus 1 is equal to 8,650. 2,321 plus 1 is equal to 2,322. Find the missing numbers. Example 6. Solution. Ones, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Tens, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Place 0 under tens, carry 1 to hundreds place. Hundreds, 1 carry plus 2 plus 0 is equal to 3. Thousands, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Example 7. Solution. Ones, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Place 0 under ones, carry 1 to the tens place. Tens, 1 carry plus 6 plus 7 is equal to 14. Place 4 under tens, carry 1 to the hundreds place. Hundreds, 1 carry plus 7 plus 2 is equal to 10. Place 0 under hundreds, carry 1 to the thousands place. Thousands, 1 carry plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 8. Example 8. 497 passengers were sitting in a train. At a station, 135 more passengers boarded the train. How many passengers were altogether in the train? Solution. Number of passengers in the train is equal to 497. Number of more passengers who board a train from a station is equal to 135. Therefore, total number of passengers is equal to 497 plus 135. Adding, therefore, total number of passengers in the train is equal to 632. Example 9. A bolt manufacturing company produced 1,175 bolts in first week, 2,304 bolts in second week, and 2,792 bolts in third week. How many bolts were produced in all? Solution. Number of bolts produced in first week is equal to 1,175. Number of bolts produced in second week is equal to 2,304. Number of bolts produced in third week is equal to 2,792. Total number of bolts produced is equal to 1,175 plus 2,304 plus 2,792. Adding, therefore, total number of bolts produced is equal to 6,271. Add the following. Add the following.
Fill in the blanks.
Find the missing numbers.